In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to guide the tool to make the swap you want. Before we start, make sure you're signed in and have the replacement image ready on your computer. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution file and keep the aspect ratio similar to the image you're replacing. First, open Base44 in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the workspace and sidebar populate fully. This is your central hub where all your apps and assets live. Next, look to the left sidebar and click All Apps. This shows the projects available to you in your workspace. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top of the list to quickly find the one you need. The goal here is simply to land in the correct app where the image lives. Now click on the app you want to edit. This opens the editor and preview area. You should see your project canvas in a live preview so you can immediately spot changes as they happen. At the bottom left of the editor, click the plus sign. This opens the Add menu for new assets. If you don't see it right away, hover near the lower left corner. On some screens, it tucks slightly into the edge. This is where you'll bring your new image into the project. Choose Upload from Computer. This tells Base44 you want to bring in a file that's stored locally. If drag and drop is enabled in your browser, that can work too, but selecting Upload from Computer is the most reliable path and ensures the file picker opens. In the file picker, navigate to your image, select it, and click Open. Large files may take a moment, so give the upload a bit of time. A descriptive file name can help keep your asset library organized, especially if you work with multiple versions. Once the image is uploaded, type change this into logo in the prompt field. This brief instruction tells Base44's assistant to transform or treat the image as a logo asset, which usually implies a cleaner, brand-ready look. Keep prompts short and specific so the system knows exactly what you want. Finally, click Send. Base44 will process the request and apply the change. Watch the preview update. You should see your new image reflected in place. If it doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds or refresh the preview area. That's it, your image has been replaced. Base4 typically saves changes automatically, so you can continue editing with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy building.